Sir.
Yeah, Akash.
Yeah, sir, my name is Agash, and first of all, thank you so much for introducing this new technology for us. And my doubt is, actually, if a teacher, you already told us that we can make essay, CV, resume from this ChatGPT. So my doubt is, if a teacher gives an assignment of writing an essay of anything like independence, or so, if the students ask to this ChatGPT the same thing in different sentences, so the answer given, or the answer given by this ChatGPT in the same to all students, or for each question there will be a unique answer.
I got your point. I got your point. See,
Yeah.
you try yourself. You give a prompt to the chat GPT that write a description for my resume. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be confused. Chat GPT doesn't know your traits unless you have used your chat GPT from your login. Once you start using chat GPT from your login, it will try to learn your habits. It will try to learn your traits. And after say 1 month or 2 months, it can answer that what are your traits. So it will answer it. But if you are beginning your chat GPT, then you have to tell that I am a student or I am doing this. I have these traits. I am a sincere one, and I'm very good at mathematics or arithmetic or whatever. So you have to tell him. So whenever you give a prompt which is which has to be tailor made for you, you have to give certain clues, and no two student can give same clues. So you have to define your own traits, and the output will be different. And try once this, that you give some of the traits and give it 2 3 times, it will always generate a different. I mean, it will paraphrase the things. The same thing will never come up. All right. So don't
Yes,
worry
sir.
about it.
And also for writing the CV and resume to some institutions, and we seen that they have mentioned that make sure that you have written by you only. So if we my doubt is, if we if you obtain a resume or CV from the chat GTP, whether somebody can able to know that it is actually we created by chat GTP
Yes,
or
they
not.
can catch it easily. They can easily catch it because normally there are standard words which any artificial intelligence uses. So whenever you are writing your own this, first is your prompt should be unique. Number one. Number two, when the outcome is ready, keep it in your Word file and try to paraphrase it. Don't send it as such. Paraphrase it. You have certainly some points, key points, which you can always make it bold, or you can change certain things, certain words, so that it is not copied. One may not say that it has been copied. So there are softwares which can easily check that whether it is AI generated or human generated. There is a website. You have to search it. I will tell you. There is a website wherein you paste your AI generated text and ask it to change it into human. It will does human for you. Then it will not be. Computer cannot catch it whether it is a AI generated or not. So that software is also available.
Yes, sir, thank you, understood. Thank you.
Sir,
Couple
I
of
have a
questions in
question.
the chat box
Yeah.
also.
Sir, may I go forward to ask the question?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Tuteja.
please go ahead.
Okay, sir. So first of all, Happy New Year, Happy Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal, Vishu to you, sir.
Thank you, same to you.
Sir, my question is, sir, you gave various like pointers
Prompts.
for building resume and stuff.
Prompts. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And my simple question is, sir, at the end of the day, this Chat GPT 3.5 or 4, which is to be introduced, it is something which has been created by the West. And do you think that whatever we type over it, somewhere or somehow, we will have a Western influence on us, and it would ignore the part of the which are considered the third world countries, or countries which are not favored by the Westerners under the current geopolitical scenario, and adding to it the matter of privacy and data security or data breaches as it has been seen in the modern world, sir?
Yeah, Rutajit, one is you are saying that how about third world and all. See, basically everyone is using chat by some way. All right, they may not write it explicitly. They are using it. Right, third world, even students at the US universities or any other university, they use it. But what they do it, they get idea from it, and then they forget whatever language is there and rewrite. That is the best way of understanding this strategy. All right, you listen to someone's lecture and then you write your own. Is that okay? You listen to someone's lecture and then you write an essay or you uh, write something about it. That works. But if you are using ditto lines, ditto words, then that is a problem. Then that is called as plagiarized or so you have to avoid that. All right. And the second, what was your second question?
Sir, about the data breaches, sir. Data privacy.
There is, see, whatever data is in public domain, there is no data breach. See, I want to know that what is the demography statistics of India. This you can pick up. It will pick you up from WHO website because that's a website which is available. The data is available on that website. It can pick up from UNCTAD. It can pick up from Indian website. So data breach is not there. Yes, but whatever you want to say is say I have written an essay and I post it in on this. I paste it here on ChatGPT and ask for it that kindly correct the grammar of this. Now any software, whether you are using Grammarly, you are using Quillbot, or you are using anything else, you paste your uh, essay on that. It picks up, it takes to the server. There it checks and sends back the outcome. So obviously they take away the data, but that data is not kept in the public domain. That data is written only in your private space, right? This is what Grammarly and other proprietary software is there. They are doing. I don't know about the ChatGPT. If your data is being, used for others also, that is again a questionable because the data which they are using is still 2021. And today I am putting some data to get the grammar check. It will not take it as such. That's what my how I think. So or now it is safe, but once it is said that it picks up everything till date, then it's an issue. You cannot use it. But same is the case with the other softwares. All right, Rutajit,
Yes, sir.
that
Thank you.
answers your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Yeah, welcome. Rutajit and Akash, I think both of you are little scared that whether we should use it or not, we may lose something. There is nothing to lose from here.
Sir, the matter is not about losing, sir. It
Yeah.
is about forming an opinion, sir. Like at the end, we are getting answers based on opinions because answers are based on opinions to be true.
Yeah.
Right, sir. So
Yeah.
what if my opinions or the opinions of the third world countries or opinions of the countries which are not favored by the West, say USA, as compared to the situations in Africa or Russia as in the present time. So we have to listen to the opinion. So just it was opinionated answers. That's it.
So what you can do is you can make a prompt in such a way that how Russian countries, how US thinks about this particular policy or about this governance. So you can always ask this prompt and you can get their opinions. And if you have your opinion, then you can formulate your opinion. See, it can help you anyway. Unless you write your opinion and then you make it public, that's a different issue. If you make it public and once it is there that it picks up the latest data, then it may become public. But maybe you may not get recognition for that because you have not put it on some website you are checking here. If you put it on some website, obviously it is your ownership will be yours. Hmm? Yeah, Tuteja, thank you.
Are there any other questions? Yeah. There are two, three questions in the chat box. Rishi, can you ask?
Can I make images in the ChatGPT? Yes, Anjali, you can make images in the ChatGPT. They have DALL-E program in that you can make, or ChatGPT 4 will allow you to manipulate there. And there are a lot of other websites which are making images. You can search for them. How will assessment by educational institute change in the future, or to tackle the issue of students using ChatGPT and using another AI? That's a challenge which I said that that's a big challenge for researchers also, for PhDs also, because normally in India we have a setup wherein people give answer. Their assessment is in a framework where they do not access anything. They are in an examination hall, so that's not an issue. But wherever they give question paper to answer at their places, or they give you 4 hours or 5 hours to answer, there it will be a big challenge. So that's what they are also, Turnitin launches new AI writing detector. Yeah, Turnitin has already launched it, but still Delhi University has to get it. Our Turnitin is not, catching this AI generated text. So yes, I believe that there are other websites which are doing this. As you said, it can prepare legal, so it is safe to prepare legal or any confidential data or statement using that. Yes, you can, but see, you make it and then get it checked. Don't rely 100% on this, otherwise you may be in problem. But at least you can framework, and then you can get it checked by some senior people so that they can authenticate it, because then there will be little changes. Ground level work it can do. What? Feedback by using effectively and ethically. अच्छा, ये तो आपका ही है.
Sir, I do have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is similar to of Tuteja. Like there are many issues in the entire world on which US has some other views, है ना? और सर कोई भी आदमी ऐसा नहीं है जो बायस ना हो ना entire world में. तो सर जितने तैयार किया है इसको चैट जीपीटी को, इसके जो आंसर्स होंगे वो भी तो यूएस की तरफ झुकाव रखते होंगे ना. कई सारे इश्यूज है पूरे देश में जहां यूएस का व्यू एकदम अलग है हम लोगों से हटके, या तो अलग जो एशियन कंट्री से हटके.
प्रशांत, मैं समझ गया. पहली बात तो ये कि ये जो चैट जीपीटी है ये इस डेटा पे बना है, ये हमें समझना. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई कंट्री स्पेसिफिक डेटा पे बना. ये इंटरनेट पे जो भी 2021 तक पड़ा था वो सब उसके अंदर आ, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ स्टेट्स और कंट्रीज. ऑलराइट. अब आपको जो भी स्टेटमेंट उठानी है वो विद रेफरेंस आप उठाओ. मैंने यही आपको समझाया कि रेफरेंस जरूर मांगो कि ये कहां से डेटा लेकर आ. अगर आप वो रेफरेंस देख रहे हैं कि सारे यूएस के रेफरेंस हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली इसका मतलब वो यूएस का एक स्टेटमेंट है, या यूएस की ये एक पॉलिसी है या सोच है. अगर आप उससे कहते हो कि जी यू हैव टू गिव what is the European thought process in this, what is the American thought process, what is the Russian thought process, how Indians think about this, or South apna Asian countries think about this, so you can get different aspect of it. So don't worry, it is not that the data is ruled by them. Yes, obviously we do not write much about the things on internet. So ये एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है कि हमारे जो साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा डेटा नहीं डालते हैं, पर फिर भी इनकी कुछ तो मैगजीन्स होंगी, कुछ तो इनके ऑनलाइन होगा जो जहां से ये डेटा पिकअप कर सकते.
Thank you, sir.
For researchers, sir, it would be difficult to use because plagiarism का बहुत बड़ा point आएगा इसमें.
प्रशांत
नहीं, रुचिका सर.
रुचि, अच्छा जी मैम.
plagiarism का मतलब इवन रिसर्च आर्टिकल्स अगर आप लिख रहे हैं
नहीं लिख सकते.